Animals here in the forest are known for their natural colorings and markings, which help them to blend into the tree lines. And right over on the right-hand side there's the okapi, just over 10 years old or so.
We need to find the hyena. We need to find the hyena.
Now, right over on the right-hand side here, once again, are the rhinos laying down back there. They've got a beautiful cinnamon-colored coat that has sort of a purple gloss to it, very unique coloration. And then ostriches over there. Although ostriches are birds, they are far too heavy to be capable.
Just in case, let me see your make a fist. Put your arm up there just like that. Turn towards me. There we go. Hold it up there. Arr. Ooh, that shit gave you a my hand. Not enough head twist there on the ground. Thank you very much, Dennis.
Excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge. Now what's the one thing we remember before we head out from here?
The ocean's not safe, so we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in. And then we go out, then back in. And one more time, out, and then back in. And sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times.
Come on! Hey Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark when I'm in school?
Oh!
Or an angelfish? Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles, I don't know.
Sandy Plankton said they could live to be 100.
If I ever meet one, I'll hold my fin. Hold my fin.
The ocean's alive in the big blue world. It's time for you to arrive.
Is this where we meet his teacher?
Surely quit you have, but we have some control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of life in the ocean lead to emotional eating.
Swim together, we swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. We swim in harmony, and we study dentistry. We're the fish of Pablo Sherman, Dee Dee. Oh, I'm trying to talk to you. Please. Stop. Look, you've been really great, and I appreciate all of the little things you've done.
Well, thanks.
But perhaps I think it's best if you and I give this a rest.
Huh?
How about you stay here while I go?
Fish feels small,
Yeah, good.
but when friends look away, it's not so big at all.
To Sydney!
Man, one more thing. When you come to this trench, swing through it, not over it.
Through it, not over it. Got it.
I don't like this trench one bit. We're swimming over it.
Something's telling me we should swim through.
Oh, why do I waste my breath? That way leads to certain death.
Come on, partner, trust me on this.
Sometimes things look bad. Then poof, the moment is gone. I gotta get out of here. I gotta find my son. I gotta get to the EAC. Hey, how do I get to the EAC?
Dude, you've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. You're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow. That's the only way to do it. Just leave on over to me. That's the only way to do it. Just leave on over to me. Things we never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. Kingdom Big Blue. We're ready to go. In the
Nemo!
Hi, Dory.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
Let's see. What's going on?
Welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the festival of the Lion King. Welcome to our world. Here we are in this land. We welcome you. Kareem. Welcome. We are the band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have
We
Nakama.
have to, mister. Besides, this gentleman right here thinks I'm the gift, don't you, baby? What's your name, Roy? Ooh, I think that's Swahili for it's my lucky day.
Oh, everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving here any minute now. And we want them to feel welcome when they get here. So we are going to need your help.
And since this is the animal kingdom and we are surrounded by animals and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like
Animals. So for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the four, and then we'll hear your roar.
ferocious. All right, you guys get the idea. On the count of three, let's hear some lions. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now that's a lion.
Time for the elephants. We have Sir Mike, all the way from Providence. He's going to be Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin! I just can't wait to begin.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timbo is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, Giraffes, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear that sound. 1, 2, 3.
Why? I'm in the sheep section.
I just can't wait to begin.
Hello? Hello? Look at me. I'm in a parade. Hey, tumble monkeys. Walk me over by the warthog section.
Get ready, warthogs. It's your turn. Time for some snorting. 1, 2, 3. Sweet
Here's your chance. On the count of 3, let's hear some Pachyderm power. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. We're in the right section.
All right, Lions, let's show Simba where he is. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
The creature of the province is. Let's hear it burn on the way. On the way. It's gonna be King Simba's lion and Simba's guidance fling. I just can't wait. Come on, everybody, all together now. 1, 2, 3.
Here I come. Big star coming through. Big head on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now, who was I? I'm in the warthog section. Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you primates doing? Put me down. Bad monkeys. Bad monkeys. Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. These monkeys, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. More dirt. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? Here they go again. You ain't seen nothing yet. Ladies and gentlemen, direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys.
to express the light and not all on us hands. But we're talking kings and successions, giving you every part of how we're for a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining era is drawing near, and where do we reach? Just listen to teacher. I know it's uncertain, but you'll hear it more than one of the last. I am giving my dues, and the justice delicious. Let's clear. Be prepared. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning, the key to denial is simply why I became undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the one that I am. Yes, my team and ambitions are in. Be prepared. Oh yes, my team and ambitions are in. Be prepared.
Enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless morning just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? Lovely evening breeze. Well, for once in perfect harmony, with all its living beauties. And can you feel the love tonight? We made it up too far, stealing through the night's uncertainties. Love is where we in perfect harmony, with all its living things.
The world in perfect harmony, with all its living things. That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then that we are connected in that great circle, the circle of life.
From the day we arrive on the planet, and blinking step into the sun, There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky is great and small on the endless round. It's the circle of life, and it moves us on through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of
And now, everybody, it's time for you to join in the fun as we kick off our celebration finale. The ladies are getting restless. Who let's have a party?
Come on, everybody, come on, man, sing along.
Baby, there's no lion speaker tonight. What kind of singing along do you call that?
Well, darling, I don't know about you and your warthogs, but my giraffes were right on cue.
And my elephants didn't seem to have a problem.
I think we're being challenged. I tell you what, our lions and warthogs against your giraffes and elephants. You guys take the wingaways and we'll take care of the hard part.
And that part would be...
Observe.
That's right. Well, we're lions and warthogs. We'll sing the high part.
And the giraffes and the elephants will sing to him away.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. Since someone has neglected to establish a meerkat section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all the talking, can we start to sing along already?
All right, come on. Let's take it from the top.
Things you know. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
So, what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. The giraffe and the elephants won. victory. Be prepared for an earthly attack. Particular planning, a tenacity spanning. Decades of denial is simply vile. Be king undisputed, respected, saluted, and see who wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are red. Be prepared.
Come on, and each comes broken skin. Just hidden light on the wing, yeah. To the big signal. I just can't wait to be king. I just can't wait to be king. I just can't wait to be king. Oh, it's the circle of life, and it pulls us out through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of the great big circle of life. In the circle, it's the circle, the great big circle of
Who's a soul? The circle of life.
till we find our place on the path unwinding in the
Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you've enjoyed the show. It was grand having you with us. You were a lovely group. The best audience ever. Now, please, get out. You know the drill. Check for first of belongings. Text both children by name.
She wants your food train. She wants your food train. She wants your food train. Yeah, right. So as the animals roam through the savannah, let the party animals take over the streets of Africa. Oh yes. She wants your food train. 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 She wants your food. Oh, I see you. Welcome to our place. was a bourgeois. She 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 was a bourgeois. Now I number. Hey, Sasa. Hey, Mama. Hey, Choo-choo. Yes. Oh, yeah, we sing it now. Just oh, what a wonderful job in Africa. Hey, Mama. Hey, Booty. Oh, yeah. Ella. To all the happy little children doing a fabulous job. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the last one for this show. We're gonna definitely get down. We need everybody on the dance floor. Everybody, jump, jump, jump. Stick it away, someone. Just stick it away, someone. You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Because I'm a pastor, I'm acting a saddle. Knowing our front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we getting close. This isn't over. The pressure's on, and I feel it. But you gotta know, believe it. When you walk it up, oh, when you walk it up, yeah. Cause this is Africa. We're going to the right and to the left. This time for Africa. Oh yes, let me hear you say yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah. All right, let's break it down. Here we go. Just listen to your God. This is our motto. Shut down and shine, don't wait mind. God was what people are raising expectations. Come on and feed them. This is our moment. No hesitate. Get down. Today's your day.
folks in Bloomington. Yes, in Zooming. Wonderful. Give it up to all the happy little children on the dance floor. Of course, a big one. What's up, goodbye? Thank you. And good just joking to you. Those of you that don't know to get my eyes You're fine.